it's been a while since we posted a video. Still working on the Caprice. Finally got it done. Had a few setbacks, worked through them, and she is all done up now. There it is. All put back together, cleaned up. I just got through taking it out to the lake and surprising the owner. He was out there camping for the weekend, so took it out there and surprised him.
There's fucking Martin. It was my car. Did you hear that? Really? I seen it. I seen it.
Now we're gonna put it away. Actually, I think we're gonna put fuel injection on it next. So, but yeah, it came out good. Some of the highlights, remember we shaved the side marker grills, molded them into the body, fixed all that rust that was back here above the wheel wells, rear quarters. Shaved this trim where that trim strip was. Shaved the moldings that were in the middle of the body line and along the rocker panels. And polished all the trim out. Put the cowl hood on it. This is the factory hood. We welded the cowl, the hardwood cowl onto it. Smoothed it in. Oh yeah, the emblems. I put the emblems back on, but I color matched the inset. It was white inside there, but I painted it to color match. And cleaned up the front end, polished all the chrome. Shaved the, right there, shaved that down to, because this had that big bull nose ridge on it, so I shaved it down to match the cowl. Looking good. So this is the final video for the Caprice. She's going home. This has been a lot of work, but very rewarding. It came out beautiful. Very beautiful. I mean, look at that reflection. On to the next project. Stay tuned.